Hi guys, thanks for coming by. Look at the beautiful sunset. My phone doesn't do it justice. That sunset is actually glowing really orange. And I'm here at the Botanical Gardens in Syracuse, not Syracuse, sorry, in Kaysville, Utah. Let's see, there's something blocking there. Sorry about that black fuzz on this side. It's a nice evening. It's about 78 degrees, I believe, right now. Oh, they got some lights stringed up. Must be some upcoming event. They do something called the Scarecrow Festival here every fall, and that will start next month. So that's the reason why they might have these lights stringed up. I see one apple on the tree. I'm not sure when the apples start growing on trees. Oh, there's a whole bunch. Those are peaches. The apple trees are down that way. See the peaches? I don't really see the apples unless if they've already fallen off the trees. Oh, there's some here. Like a few in there. And here's the grape. These are the grapevines up and down through here. And you can just smell those grapes. They smell so delicious and sweet. So the Botanical Garden is free and open all year round. It's actually pretty big. This is the garden area that I'm walking in this evening. Here is the corn. And I got here right at sunset, so I may not be able to get through the whole Botanical Garden. There's a melon. Some very pretty flowers up there. And it looks like a bunch of tomatoes over here. See all the tomatoes? that. I'm not sure what that one is. They're like purple tomatoes. Okay, let's go along this way and start our walk along the trail. It's very pretty to come out here even when it snows. I've been coming here for so many years. So that event is coming up. Last night we had thunderstorms, so we had a lot of rain, which was really nice because it's been so dry up here and not raining at all. So it was really nice to get some rainfall. By the time we get done walking this trail, it might be dark. So I probably should have got here a little bit earlier. This location is right by Layton, which is where I currently live right now. So Kaysville and Layton are right next to each other's. There's a happy snail just sitting in the garden. It's a cute snail. But look how pretty the mountains are out here. That's the beauty of Utah, or the Wasatch Mountains. And we might look over this way. And see some more vegetables and plants growing. Oh, the scarecrow fell down. Poor guy. Are you just gonna crash there for the night? All right, we'll see you later. Wow, I wish you can see that sunset. It's like, it's not showing on my phone, but it's like bright orange way back there. So pretty. These, of course, are make-believe outhouses. Oh, I think there's some mosquitoes out here. You think we can make it? You think we can make it all the way around? Yeah, by the time we get back, it will be dark. Look at these sunflowers. They're pretty. Okay. It's a really nice place to walk. It looks like they're going to do something here in this plot of land. I'm walking with my husband, and he usually doesn't speak during videos, but he's here with me. These trees up here are acorn trees, and I picked a basket to keep in my home as decor. I still have them. These trees will have a lot of acorns during the fall season, which will start usually around late September into November. And the trees are really pretty when they turn to fall colors here. I do enjoy walking. It's good for your health, your mental health, as well as your physical health. The sky looks just so pretty golden. The acorns are growing. Oh yeah. But my camera's not picking it up. Oh, there it is. There's an acorn. Look how beautiful the golden sky looks at sunset. And this is a great place to walk any time of the year, even during the snow time. You can bring your dogs with you out here. And the trees out here are really nice. We're not seeing much because it's getting dark here right now. I think it's around 8. Oh, it's actually 8:08 p.m. right now. And the sun's already going down, which means we're heading back towards the winter when it starts getting darker earlier. And I'm not sure what to call this tree or what kind it is, because of that. They look like long bean stalks. Here's another one. Same tree with the long bean stalks hanging off of it. See that? There's times that I walk through here with my cup of coffee early in the morning, And there's benches in there to sit, so I would just sit in there and enjoy the nice quiet. There's a bench there, and there's a few in sight where the trees are as well. Sorry if you don't hear me. I don't have a microphone on. I just got my microphone today and I'm charging it, and I have to figure out how to use it on my phone. I did get my tripod today, so I've got my phone on the tripod as I'm recording this video, and I'll upload it tonight. I plan to do several more places this week. Pretty places to see in this location. This is one of my favorite trees. It actually becomes beautifully gold and orange during fall time. It's green right now. And it's the only tree in this area that turns into a golden orange hue, the most beautiful colors. This tree has a lot of different leaves that are changing colors on the tips. You hear all the crickets in the back because it's getting dark here. Let's see if we can reach the main part of the area where all the flowers grow, which is right up ahead. Let's see if we can make it there before it gets dark. I hope you had a really nice day. I had to go get stuff at Walmart today. So I did that. Did some shopping there. Did my morning walk earlier in the day. Kind of just had a relaxing day today. Tonight after I get home, I plan to do more packing because we're actually packing everything into the U-Haul Tuesday next week. So we're trying to get everything packed. During the day when I used to come here, a beautiful tabby cat would come out and meet me out here. And he's the most friendly cat I think I've ever seen. He'll just come out, walk up to you and meow and wants to be petted. So we made it kind of to this main garden area. There's a road over there and a walking trail on that side of the road with the little fishing pond straight up there. Here's a fun little maze you can walk in. So yeah, like I said, tonight I'll be packing some more things. I've got some ideas on the different variety of videos I want to do. Besides doing the park and ponds and nature areas, I'm also going to do my first ASMR video. And I think I'm going to do kind of like a reading video, showing you pictures of the magazine. It's a Martha Stewart Halloween issue. See the orange in the back? That's the sunset. Let's see if we can get a better view getting out of the garden area. These trees here will usually show magnificent colors in all colors, like maroon, purple, yellow. Can't see them now, but they'll usually be blooming around May like that with those colors. And this tree up here will have little apples in them. They're actually quite tasty. I don't know the name of these apples, but they're small and they're usually bright red. So I see these? Take one off. It's pretty red and it tastes almost like apples. They're sweet. And I actually pluck them and eat them. Wash them and eat them. So I'll show you the mountain view. This is what it's called, Botanical Center. There will be Scarecrow Festival here, and it will start up sometime next month, and it will run for a whole week. And this whole area will be lined up with scarecrows of all themes. It's really fun to watch. And just come out here and vote for the best scarecrow. So thanks for joining me on this evening walk. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it got dark right when I got here. But have a good night. And thanks for coming by. See you next time.